in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Godaddy domain to Canva, a process that's straightforward once you understand each step. Let's start by ensuring you're logged into both your Godaddy account and Canva. Having these accounts open in separate tabs will make it much easier to switch back and forth as needed. First, navigate to the Godaddy website and access your account. Once logged in, head over to the My Products section. This is where you can find all your domains listed. Click on the domain name you want to connect with Canva. Upon selection, you'll be directed to a page with settings and configurations related to your domain. Next, look for the DNS settings, short for Domain Name System, which is crucial in directing your domain to different online services. Once inside the DNS management settings, locate the section labeled Records. Specifically, you'll need to find the record here. The record maps your domain name to an IP address, and while Godaddy will have default settings, you'll use it to establish the connection with Canva. Now it's time to open Canva in another tab. Once you're logged into Canva, go to the Web Design section. Here, you'll see an option to connect a custom domain. Select this, and you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you wish to connect. Type your Godaddy domain into the provided field. Canva will then generate a set of DNS records needed to establish the link. Switch back to your Godaddy tab to update the DNS records. Begin by modifying the record with the exact IP address provided by Canva. Usually, you'll find options to edit each entry in the DNS records section. Depending on any existing records, you might have to replace old settings or add new ones. Copy the values from Canva exactly, paying close attention to each character. This step is vital for ensuring your domain routes correctly to Canva. After updating the IP address with the record, return to Canva. Here, you'll often be asked to verify the connection. Canva might show you a prompt indicating that verification could take a short while since DNS changes aren't always instantaneous. This delay is normal, as DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate across the internet. By following these straightforward steps, updating the record and verifying through Canva, you should successfully connect your Godaddy domain to Canva. Remember, if it doesn't work immediately, this brief waiting period is not unusual. Congratulations, you've just linked your Godaddy domain with Canva. This connection opens up a fresh realm of possibilities for showcasing your projects professionally online, giving your audiences a seamless path to discover your creative work. If you ever need clarification, both Godaddy and Canva provide excellent support to assist with any hiccups along the way. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your designs.